Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily check your brightness control. So if you have Windows 8.1 and you can't control your brightness, so if you just change it by buttons, by clicking on buttons, and it won't change your brightness. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, just go to Windows, just find in search, open settings on your computer, sorry, not settings but control panel. So just write in search control panel, open control panel, and here you need to find system. So just find system here, just open the system, and here you will find device manager. So just open it, and here you need to find your monitor, display driver adapter. Open display adapters and just check if you have only one here driver. So if you have two, you need to delete one of them because you need only one driver. So just right click on it and choose disable. Wait some time, and after it will be disabled, just try to turn it on again. So I tried before and it works. So just try. I hope it will help you. So just right click on it, choose disable. After just wait some time and just try to enable it again. So I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.